discuss the physics of music, where I discuss the linguistics of music. Create a little equilibrium.
Can you tell I've never done a Zoom before?
Start with your questions.
Let's dive in, Papa. I'm here.
Okay.
The ideology behind having such a guest.
I'm gonna listen to those goddamn answers.
That's what you do. That's how you sound. You sound like an asshole. You sound like a real bitch.
And then I'll, you know what I mean?
Back and forth.
Here I go.
So what my website is really based on is a consolidation of a number of different subjects, where I discuss the physics of music, where I discuss the linguistics of music, where I discuss the theoretical aspect of music. And then not only do I write on these subjects, but I illustrate and demonstrate the things I speak about. So if I'm going to discuss how to compose, then I need to have an original composition. Jimmy Falcon, yeah, absolutely.
That's Jimmy Fallon, man.
Boy, killing it, boy,